I started making art from discarded materials in 1983 in graduate school at San Jose State University. I'm given all the materials that I use. So everything has a very convoluted story, which I like. I mean, this is the way life is, right? In Seattle, there was a business called Seattle Curtain. They were tearing down the building. They invited people who work in textiles, artists in the neighborhood. This building is located in the central area, in a historic Black neighborhood in Seattle. So they had this wonderful netting. It's burlap netting, and I held on to it. And I end up getting all kinds of things. I almost never say no. I have a good friend, his name is Dave. He picks up trash and things off of Roosevelt Avenue in Seattle. He gave me bags and bags of these salmon cans. These tin cans are this wonderful kind of golden color. So I says, oh, these are kind of special cans. They're not your run-of-the-mill cans, so they're vintage samples. Mostly everything people offer me, I take and I turn to art. These are one of the wildest stories. A friend of mine during COVID, she was a member of this group of women who during the COVID crisis, they were giving bed sheets to make hospital scrubs when the hospitals didn't have enough scrubs for all the physicians. But bed sheets have elastic around the sheets. And when I saw the elastic, I said, wow, this is so cool. And then I said, I need something to fill in the blank spaces for this project. So this just happened in the last couple of months, this getting the elastic. It turned out actually better than I had thought. So I'm very pleased. I'm very happy with the results. I'm an environmentalist and always have been. So this is the small thing I can do is save things from going to landfill.